That's it right there. This feels professional already.
We are there. Okay, you might want to hop out. Oh, yes. Okay, now here's where it gets hairy. We got jackknife our trailer up into their parking spot. Yeah, I'm watching the front. You watch the back. Here we have the desk. We just carried it in. Didn't film, but this is where the desk's going to go. We're going to get it all put together here, and then we're going to work on the T-bar here. Get screwed to the wall.
Down to the 3/4 point.
So grab the saw and probably just take and cut with the saw a lot of it. Hey, we got to the job site after finishing up the house. Now we're working on the business. That's where we're headed into. We got to go up that flight of stairs into the upper mezzanine before the office we're working in. Let's take a walk up here and see what it's like. Okay, here's trip number one of very many up these stairs here. Probably gonna have, I'd say, 50 trips. Carrying cabinets, back and forth, cutting stuff, carrying tools in and out. But here's the front office. We'll be putting a break room in here. And then here is the back office. We'll be working on the cabinets that go on left and right and in the middle. Let's get started. Get this cabinet here in, we had to remove the trim on this window. Otherwise, this cabinet would not have swung in past. So now we're putting trim back on. We got some shelves to put in, some trim to put on, some hardware to put on, and a counter. And then we're moving on to the kitchenette. So putting a picture frame TV here and a bar fridge there. Finally done. We didn't get to film putting any of this really in, but this is the kitchenette that we built and got installed, except for there is a plumbing line that is going to be splitting right into the microwave cabinet. So we couldn't put these two cabinets in. The contractor's gonna take care of that, but other than that, it's all in. That is the smallest refrigerator opening I've ever seen. But this is it. We are done. See you in the next job site.